Hey folks, I'm Chef Matt Basile, and I'm back for the most important NFL moment of the season. Big huddle, big huddle, big huddle, because it's Super Bowl home gating time. Yes sir, it's time to combine the best food with the best football of the year. And because it's our last chance at home gating for the season, I really want today's recipe a team sport for you and the entire squad. On the menu, buffalo chicken dip. Let's get started. Step 1, cook your chicken. I have my oil heating in an oven-safe skillet, and I'm gonna sear my chicken thighs for 3 minutes aside. Add Frank's RedHot buffalo sauce and transfer the pan to a 375 Fahrenheit oven to cook for 12 minutes. When the chicken is finished, shred it up. Blitz tip! You can cook this chicken ahead of time and store it in the fridge or freezer until game day. Step 2, dip time. To get the base of my dip going, I'm melting butter over medium heat, and I'll add carrots, celery, and leeks, and let the vegetables saute for about 8 minutes. When everything starts to look translucent, I'm gonna add the shredded buffalo chicken and cream cheese and mix until the cheese is melted and coated the chicken. I'm gonna pull the pan off the heat before I stir in my blue cheese and cubed Monterey Jack. Transfer the dip to an oven-safe baking dish and bake at 425 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Step 3, make the topping. While my buffalo chicken dip bakes, I'm gonna prepare my crispy leek garnish. I start by tossing my matchstick leeks in a bowl with flour and a little bit of water. In a heavy bottom pot, I've heated my oil over high heat. I'm gonna fry the leeks until golden brown and crispy. Remove them from the oil and set aside to drain. Don't forget to salt them well. To serve my buffalo chicken dip, I'm gonna garnish it with my crispy leeks, a side of fresh carrot and celery sticks, my favorite corn tortilla chips, and sometimes even fresh warm tortillas, because blitz tip! I also like to enjoy this spicy dip scooped into a tortilla like a mini taco burrito hybrid. When something is this tasty and simple to make thanks to Frank's RedHot Buffalo, there's like 71 different ways to devour it. Well team, it's been one hell of a great season, and this buffalo dip recipe is so good, it'll leave your friends and fam asking to plan next season's home gating meals starting now. Enjoy the big game. Be sure to watch season long. Happy home gating.